Well, I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna try to start eating healthy. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my air fryer and I'm gonna do some of this jerk chicken breast. So I'm gonna use this sauce right here. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it here. I've had some of the jerk chicken, so I'm gonna season it up really well with this jerk chicken sauce or jerk sauce. It's very hot. So stay tuned. Here we go. How to cook jerk chicken in the air fryer. Okay, I'm finna get ready to do my jerk chicken. Hey, if you don't have any of this sauce, hey, you better get some. So I'm trying to eat a little healthier now. You probably seen my other videos. We eating crawfish. Hey, I'm not gonna say I'm giving all that stuff up, but I'm gonna just slow down a little bit. I'm gonna try to eat a little healthier. So today, I'm gonna do my jerk chicken and I'm gonna eat me a salad. And believe it or not, I am not gonna have a cold beer. I want one, but I'm not. I'm gonna stay away from them for a few weeks. But I might drink a little wine here and there. Like I said, I'm not gonna stop living. I'm just gonna try to eat a little healthier. Got to watch my blood pressure here. So the only thing you do, you don't put no salt, pepper, or anything. So you just take this jerk sauce, a jerk seasoning. I don't know if you can see in there. Ooh, this stuff smells good. And it is spicy. So let me get another spoon. Okay, I got another spoon. Let me use this one. I think I may need one more. There we go. Use this spoon to get it all in there. That should do it. My wife said it's too spicy for hers, but hey, it's just right for me. She liked to tone hers down with a little brown sugar. Just massaging it in there a little bit. You don't need too much of this. And you don't have to marinate this. You don't have to put it on and leave it overnight. Don't make no sense. Just put it on and put it in your air fryer. Okay, this is my air fryer. If you want to purchase one of these, just look in the description below. But what I want to do, it tells you up here if you're cooking certain stuff. And I'm going to be cooking some chicken. So it says right here between 22 and 26 minutes for fried chicken drumsticks. So I'm going to cook it for about, I got this chicken breast. So I'm going to cook it for about 26 minutes. So what you do, you go over here and turn your timer. And I'm going to put it right at 25, 26. And turn this all the way up. And you can see right there, it's 400 degrees. So I'm gonna do a couple of pieces. I'll cook the rest later. So I'm gonna take this. That's it. You don't have to put no oil or nothing. Just put it right there. Throw it in the air fryer. Just push it in. That's it. So 25 minutes later, I'm gonna come back and check it out. And I'm gonna show you my meal. And this is my salad I'm having today. Ooh, spicy, but good. Good and healthy. Let me try some asparagus here. Oh yeah. Healthy eating ain't too bad. I wish I had a cold beer, but I'm gonna let the beer go for a little while. May drink a little wine later on tonight. But that's how you do jerk chicken in the air fryer. Simple. 25 minutes. And this was for like 25 minutes. And I probably could have cooked it a little less, probably 22 minutes. But it's right. What I'm gonna do, this is the best dipping sauce. It's that remoulade sauce we use for crawfish and crabs. So let me try a little bit here on my plate. So I done dipped a little bit here on my chicken. My jerk chicken is remoulade sauce. Oh, that's good. It tones it down a little bit. All right, thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel. I say in about 1 month, I'm gonna be down about 15, 20 pounds. So instead of my cold beer, my nephew told me about this drink right here. It's Bragg's organic apple cider vinegar. This right here is the grape kind. So I went to H-E-B, they have like 4 different types. If you look in the description below, you can see it, and also probably could purchase it online. It's kind of expensive, as you can see right here at H-E-B. So I'm gonna give it a try, see what it tastes like. This is what I'm gonna be drinking for the next couple of weeks. Oh, well, yeah, you can taste the apple cider vinegar in it. So I like it, just can't drink it too fast. $20 pounds, 15 pounds, here we go. All right, thanks and have a great day.